How to find your user ID on Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to find your player ID or your user ID in Score Hero, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside this main homepage, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you do, you'll come across this expanded menu. You'll need to click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on the I option from the bottom and you'll be able to see your user ID at the top over here. It is a long string of numbers and alphabets. You can write it down on a piece of a paper. If you don't want to write it down since it's too long, you can take a screenshot of your user ID. So there you have it. That is how you can find your user ID in Score Hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.